Oh, this is just lovely. Hey, Topeka? Topeka Mayor, all the rest of that? City streets aren't supposed to do this. Just so you know. Wow. So, wonder how this is going to get added to my water bill. And how long they're going to end up closing my street for to do a half-ass repair job. Got a little fountain action going on over here. I know you get what you pay for, but we pay a lot of money for this. Wonderful. Wonder how much of our life is going to get disrupted because of this. Ooh, don't want to forget the little ones over here. And all that water just going right down the drain. And I'm sure this is digging out underneath the street here. You can see all the sediment and stuff coming out from where this started leaking. Oh, we got another leak coming up right over here. These leaks are just chugging it out.